coming in. Here we go. Come on. A little bit. A little bit. Don't one tick me, you bastard. Don't you dare one tick me. I'm getting out. That was good, man. Notice. Sorry. Wait, notice like that's when it. What I would say is be worth a shot. Want to see way to add. Anyway. Morning, Robert. Special. We can switch to full screen. Oh, doesn't matter. Doesn't even matter. Like we have becoming the new 10-second man.
All right, is it breaking down? Just gonna get out right there.
Actually, downward like so many cells. Sellers are looking. No buyers, but those. Again, normally I would walk away at this. That's last hour during. As you progress during the day, I don't know if you guys.
I feel like this is very gambly right here.
Hours. I have never in my life.
I don't trust it.
So we've got just that list that manufacturing. It may not be much. I really should have done this. My screen. I can. Want to control big ball.
And then 35 seconds to go.
Yeah, we're just ranging. It's a nice range. Our 5-minute ATR is 23, so like that's okay. But we have not had any significant break. Even it looked like we were breaking down on the previous 5-minute candle, guys, but it really didn't get that far below the wick of the last one. So not a breakdown, and then subsequently not a breakout, at least not yet on this candle.
But
Mm, 30 seconds left.
oh yeah. We also
Sanjeev, the fair value gap indicator is called FVG/IFVG. It's a free one.
right into the
All
All
about
right,
the
where's our
watch.
first strong move going to be after the open here?
Let's see. Thank you wants to keep bumping.
Sure seems that way.
Yep. Yes. Unclear to me right
To make
now.
another run up, though, they got to take 26,100. Otherwise, it's just farting around.
Dominic, the next like goal is 599. We're currently at 538. So smack the like button, get us to 599, and we're gonna do another Lightning funded account. Sanjeev, nephew Sam. Yeah, big divergence right now. Market making Mario. 100%. Where is he?
Giving us plenty to watch, ain't nothing to trade yet.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it is. Hey, what's up, Abo? Yeah, we did do one giveaway, but we're gonna do another one once we hit 599 likes.
Because we're just that damn generous.
Oh, hell yeah. And then Matt is gonna do another one later, so give away plenty of accounts, don't you?
They didn't want to do giveaways anymore. And guys, Nick loves them so much, he said, if you guys don't do giveaways, I'm gonna fly to the States and beat all your asses. And they said, okay, they were scared, so.
Leia, did you miss any drama? No, you just missed a big divergence between NQ and ES.
Not asking if you missed any trades. Did I miss any drama? All right. I guess we're just entertainment for you. No, I'm just kidding. Leia.
She wants that drama. Oh, hell yeah, 6. Standing on the wings of a 747? I'm down. I'm down. Mario, I think this is one of the most overlooked advice that you just gave in the chat. It's such a real thing. Mario just gave somebody advice and said, forget the money goal, just trade what you see and just trade your setup. Do that 100 times and don't worry about payout. It will just come. Once I did this, I just traded and the rest falls in. 100%. Hey, what's up, Mason? Morning.
But they're battling on this candle here.
Speaking of that,
we got that movement in the ES. Now it's just kind of chopping around. The NQ's basically just been kind of chopping around for most of the day.
yep.
All right, scan around here. Gold back to breaking out. It's making a move to bebop. Oil ain't doing shit. The RTY has
I
popped.
feel like
into
it's
the
gonna
-1
it's
standard
shorting,
deviation
but
band.
everybody's thinking that.
Mario, isn't it that way for everybody? It takes years to learn that skill. Do not think about the money when you're trading. Thank you, Kirill. We appreciate you. We appreciate you and the kind comments. Let's see if ES makes its way back up.
I can't decide if this candle's about or this candle's leading into a pump or a dump, but I feel like just watching the price action in this 5-minute candle, or the one that just closed on the ES or NQ, excuse me. Like I feel it was a small candle, small range candle, and yet just watching it, I felt like at various times either the bulls were going to just take it or the bears were. I'd like to see a test of bebop. maybe a bounce down there. It's 26,024. I really want to see a test of 2,600 again and give me a nice reversal pattern there. I'll ride that the rest of the day.
Yeah. I still do like the ES shorts, honestly. But not if NQ pushes that strong.
Of course, right when I change it.
NQ moved 30
okay.
so far since the open. Super ugly. For 563 likes, we need 36 more, guys. 36 more. 5.99. We're gonna do a giveaway.
This is a very big red candle.
The lightning funded. Gold is pushing now at VWAP. Beep up. Sorry. I almost said the wrong thing. Keep in mind, guys, everybody who's in the long on gold right now, London highs are at 3964.6. Actually, you know what? It's not true. That's based on the old time zone. We already based on the daylight savings time. We already took out London highs. Never mind. Never mind.
I'd like to see a little bit of a reversal candle here in gold. I actually really like this area for a reversal. Got to get a signal though.
Yep. Now it starts to move slower and slower. Damn it, Matt. What did we get ourselves into here?
Yeah. This so far today is the day I thought yesterday would be.
Just gonna flatten. Just don't really see anything.
Oh boy.
Can't really tell what anything is doing right now.
Sadiq, what time is it in London now? 2 p.m. London session starts at 8 a.m. UK time. Matt, Bull Trader says, let's trade gold with 3 mini.
Yeah.
Do it.
I'd like to see gold go up just another candle or two, and then put in like a doji or a preferably a gravestone doji, and let's flip this thing around.
Anna, no, we're not in any trades. We're waiting right now. Waiting on setups. Alright, we hit the like goal. Shall we do a giveaway while we wait for setups?
Do it.
Do it. Do it when, Matt?
Do it now.
Alright. So guys, if you want to get the chance to win a 25k Lightning Funded account, Lightning Funded means you don't have to pass an eval, you're immediately funded, then simply like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I give you guys a keyword, type that keyword into the chat only once. If you type it more than once, you will get disqualified. Let's do a little quiz here, chat. This Sunday at 6 p.m. Eastern Time, what is starting? That's right, the Grand Cup. So Grand Cup is the keyword. No space in between the words, just Grand Cup. Type it in the chat now. Only once. If you type it more than once, you will get disqualified. Not from the Grand Cup, though. Q trying to push back up to all-time highs. Oh boy. What did we get ourselves into? Both works, trading dream team. All caps or lower caps, doesn't matter. As long as you tap Grand Cup. Hey, gold is rejecting VWAP. Matt, what do you think about that?
Yep. Yep. I like it right now. It's moving a little quick. I was hoping for got a nice doji candle there in the 5-minute. Hoping to just be a little more selective with my entry. I don't want to chase.
That makes sense. In these cases, would you like set a limit order above for a sell, or what do you usually do?
No, I'll just wait for it to get somewhere and then I'll mark it on something like this.
Got it. So what are you waiting for right now, or what level are you looking at?
I would like a little more of a move. I kind of missed my entry there, so I was like, oh, and then look at it now. It's No, I don't know. I'm gonna give it this candle. I'm not gonna enter on this candle. I don't usually want to enter the first candle after, because we just threw up a doji. A doji can be at the top. It can be a reversal candle. It can also just be a rest candle while waiting for the next continuation move. So I usually like to see. I like this candle. I don't want it to get all the way down.
Really not much going on.
My entry, that sets me up for
At least not on here.
great R to R. I'd like to get in maybe around 55. Let me see where this candle closes. Make sure and scale down to 2 minis before I put in the order.
Oki says he's sure you can find a great entry on the 15-second, Matt.
Long.
Yeah, I'll get right on that.
I think long.
Do it. 3 minis on the 15-second chart.
Would like to see the ES go test 6,900.
Yeah, but I want an entry first. I like the shorts still on ES. Sunflower shorts.
I don't know.
Raiders each. You have to type Grand Cup in one.
Actually, depends.
Grand Cup.
Could be short, but it seems like every time they start buying low, you see here, they start
We're gonna pick a
buying.
winner for the 25k Lightning Funded account in a minute, guys. So your last chance to type Grand Cup in
selling.
the chat. Grand Cup.
More selling.
Dude, Matt, I'm
volume
so looking
drops.
forward to the Grand Cup. It's gonna be sick.
It's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm looking. I'm just looking forward to the trash talk. Really.
Well, that will
Just
happen
gonna get out.
for sure. I can
I
guarantee.
told you I
trust
could win
it.
the whole thing, or I could go out on week 1. I'm gonna shit talk the whole tournament.
I love that. That's what the trading space is for. Everybody's shit talking all the time.
Well, as long as it's good natured, people being dicks we don't like, but
Yeah,
a
well,
little good natured trash talk always goes a long way.
Overall,
Like I
just
said,
losing
I joke,
on
guys,
our
but
scalp
retail. I
account.
told you on retail, I root for all retail traders. I don't care if I know them, don't know them, like them, don't like them. I always root for retail. It's good. Good juju.
fair point. TJ, that's the way to go, man. Team TV, hell yeah. We're gonna bring this one home, guys. We're gonna bring it home.
So again, this new little kind of tool I'm playing around with here is showing a pretty good amount of call selling in the SPY, which again would tend to be a bearish indicator for the ES. Now it doesn't mean it's dropping right now or even at all, but based on the little
If
guide
they're
that I
getting
gave,
ready
that's,
to dump,
that's
you
what's
would
showing up right
see
now.
the
Pretty
selling
significant
happening
amount of call selling.
as people buy.
What is this movement? Give me something to work with. Please.
Kind of rangy. kind of small, really tight. Just looking to make a move. Looks
Jose,
like-
wow. Okay. Okay. Let's wait. Wait and see. Ooh, we're at 698 likes, guys. Almost 711. Not that 711 would be the like target, but
Yeah, I understand, Schroeder. I'm trying to keep it simple for those that aren't familiar with options.
yeah, makes sense. All right, yeah, Drew, let's pick a winner for the 25K Lightning funded account. Let's run the bots, guys. Check the chat. It's gonna announce who won. It is Hammer432. Hammer432, you just won 25K Lightning funded account. Congrats. Make sure you type something in the chat really quick so we see you're there and you claim your account. Hammer432. Everybody who's still typing Grand Cup, you can stop. It's not going to do anything. Hammer432 says, I'm here. Nice. All right, so Hammer432. Make sure you add your email address to our YouTube channel description, and we will send you your account within 7 days. 25K Lightning funded account. So that's pretty sick. Congrats. Good one, Leah. Leah said, congrats, Hammer. He definitely nailed it. That could be from Matt, Leah.
Yeah. That's copyright infringement. My dad jokes.
Damn, this price action.
Yeah, we really kind of tightened up here.
Mm-hmm.
Price action is crazily boring.
Me no like this.
No reason in the world the ES and the based on the patterns, the ES and the NQ should pop right now, which makes me think that's about exactly what they're about to do.
Yeah. Always doing the unexpected.
Super tight.
Yeah.
Three-bar reversal.
preservation,
Now your YouTube
baby.
email address doesn't have to be the same as the Tradify email. It just needs to be an email address that we can send you the account code to. Doesn't matter.
So tired, guys.
Let's see what we can get, guys. We got the stream to ourselves now. Let's do some damage. Positive damage, okay? Vegeta, I still don't know how to pronounce your name, man. But anyways, we already did give away two 25K Lightning funded accounts, and Matt is going to give away another one later on in the show. So make sure you stay tuned for that.
So there's a bunch of
Wilson, no, the giveaway account will be sent within the next 7
orders
days.
here at
Usually
the
faster,
top.
but give us time.
I don't know if they're
We
buy
give
or
away
sell
a
orders.
lot of accounts, and background Nick, DJ Nick has to send out
I don't
so
know
many
if
of them.
it's people that are
Give him
actually
some
getting
time,
ready
okay.
to dump this, or is people thinking that it's getting ready to dump and they're building those
Extraordinary
up.
Cave Trader. If you go back in the stream, at the beginning of the stream, and that is where we give an overview over what happened in the overnight session. So make sure to check that out. Right now, ES is just consolidating here. building a little bear flag.
Could go either way.
Actually, a very clean bear flag. So let's see. Let's see if we get any nice setups here. Gold hanging around. Keep up. YM is consolidating as well. So yeah, I'm not convinced on anything right now. Really not convinced on anything, unfortunately. We just gotta be waiting and gotta be patient, you know?
Just one of those days. All about the he
Just
said,
gotta
she
be
said.
patient.
Ooh.
Wait and see. Doing a whole bunch of nothing, man. A whole bunch of nothing. Suriluki, what did I have for lunch today?
Let's see.
Okay, this is gonna make the chat furious now. I had salad, rice, and steak with ketchup, baby. I actually did. I even sent the picture into the Tradovate team chat. Yeah, VWAP is super flat, USA. Trading, you think we go lower? We could be. Could be. Mr. Chinsky, you like this price action? Damn. What are you trading? What are you trading? Yeah, Trading Dream Team, I don't like the price action either. I don't see any setups for how I'm trading right now. Unfortunately. Kryptoneer. Oh yeah. Wave Trader says typical slow grind before an FOMC meeting and mega earnings releases. Yeah, that doesn't make it better. No, Mr. Chinsky, I didn't mean like, are you trading your own money or props? I meant like, what strategy, what system are you trading that you like this price action? Because I certainly don't like it. Everybody who's still typing Grand Cup, you can stop. It's not going to do anything. Yeah, that's right. Plays with fire. No range to trade. No nothing. It's just ugly. The price action during London was nice though. Slow, but nice. Slow, but nice. Bull trader, you think so? Lunchtime will make it move? Well, let's see. Let's see. And I learned the fractal model by just going through the market lens, the course, but you can also learn it for free on YouTube. MMT Trading says gold is not doing well, very choppy. I've scratched 50% at break even. I'm waiting for a break above 944, 945, and I'll reduce my stops. All right, you have a plan. That's good. Plan your trade, trade your plan. Trading for keeps. Nick, who won? I lost power, and congrats to the winner. Not you.
Come on, man. You couldn't tank these things while I was taking a quick break there. Ooh, RTY is running. Holy cow.
Can you pull it up? Drew, can you go to Matt's chart?
Yeah, let's pull this sucker up right here. Look at that. It's a good,
Ooh, right to the highway.
yeah, heading right up there.
Vince, it's definitely worth it because it's way more structured. Super easy to learn that way.
Boy, this is the Russo moving a little bit. Oil ain't doing jack squat. Gold, okay, here comes gold. This is why I wanted to wait for a little extra confirmation for potential short. We're now pushing strongly up over Bebop. Yeah, I mean, Darth, so gold is just, like I said, I wish I could sit here and break down like the fundamentals of gold and all this. I learned gold from one of the women who taught me trading. God, we're talking like 10, 12 years ago. And she did very well on gold. Like she'd basically been trading as a swing trader since the, trading was widely available to retail traders. And she used to say it was, when she didn't short a lot, especially back in the day, you had to have a lot of margin to short. So instead of, when she felt the markets were weak, she would go long in gold because they were a nice inverse. Really not anymore. So, it's just another asset at this point. I don't really look, I mean, I do look at it in conjunction with what the indexes are doing, but not, those are not as linked as they used to be. Plus, gold's a nice thing to learn because it trades very consistent volume throughout all the sessions. I mean, yeah, most days New York's going to have the most volume, but it's going to be the volume difference is not, it's not as big a gulf during the New York and European and Asian sessions as it is something like the NQ or the ES is.
Well, I think that is it, guys.
NQ dropping a little bit. I won't consider a bearish trade in NQ until we break below VWAP. All right, Marco, nice job, man. Way to start off with a win. Getting a nice win, guys. I don't care what your account size is or advanced growth, lightning funded. Start with a nice few $100 win. Give yourself a little cushion. I always like doing that in these accounts. Guys, so we are man, really not doing shit in these indexes. Let's go gold back up. Let's watch gold for a little while. Yeah, Rico, that's you're exactly right, and we talked about that yesterday, and we didn't have great movement yesterday, but we had enough to trade. We found a decent setup in gold, but But that's okay. I mean, guys, like I said, we say there's no guarantees in trading, and there really isn't. But if there is one, it's that, we say price action contraction leads to price action expansion 100% of the time. It's just figuring out the time frame that's going to happen. But whether you're a day trader, swing trader, you wanna enter positions in price action contraction and then take profit, or in expansion, no matter what direction that is. And like I say, you guys have heard me say this term a bunch of times: the bill comes due, right? And when we spend weeks consolidating, as we have, like we did a lot of that in July and August, the bill comes due and we get great expansion and great tradable movement, as we did after the last FOMC meeting. We had great movement and great trading pretty much all of last week. Bill comes due. We're going to have a day or two where it's going to be shit, or even longer. It is what it is. Again, why patience is so important, guys.
Hello.
Ah, he's back.
Oh, yes, sir.
Shit, we got to stop talking about him, guys.
I miss anything?
You missed Jack Squat. Although gold is breaking out above BWAP. BWAP, I just combined it there. BWAP.
What the hell is BWAP?
It's a combination of BPOP and VWAP.
Ah, I see.
No, trade. I didn't get in it. I was saying again. This in gold. This was actually a very nice rounded top pattern here that just gave it up. So.
Good old BWAP. Oh boy. Market Maker Mario, you have a chair with a built-in pillow? Damn. Okay. NQ is right at BPOP now.
Yeah, I want to see a breakthrough.
Yep, preferred.
I want to see the ES from below there too.
Yeah, ES formed a nice bear flag there on the 3 minute. Yeah, on the 5 minute too. But...
price action feels like it's picking up a little bit.
It's a good sign.